Learn English naturally, just by watching.
Let's improve your English together, one real-life video at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Conversation.
Hi, we're so happy you're here today.
I'm Jack.
And I'm Amelia. How are you today?
I'm great, thanks. Today is a beautiful day.
Yes, the weather is really nice. And that's our topic today, weather and seasons.
That's right. Weather is something we talk about every single day.
When you meet someone, you often say, "How's the weather?" Or, "It's a nice day, isn't it?"
Exactly. So today, we'll teach you simple words and phrases about weather and seasons.
You'll learn how to describe sunny days, rainy days, hot weather, cold weather, everything.
And we'll practice together. Listen, discuss, and listen again. That's how you learn.
Before we start, if you like this podcast, please give us a like.
And subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. We make English easy and fun.
Okay, are you ready?
Let's begin.
So, Jack, let's start with simple weather words. What's the weather like today?
Today is sunny. S-U-N-N-Y. Sunny means the sun is shining.
Great. Can you say that? Today is sunny. Try it now.
Good job. Let's try another one. Yesterday was rainy.
Rainy. R-A-I-N-Y. Rain is falling from the sky.
Yesterday was rainy. Can you repeat? Yesterday was rainy.
Excellent. Now let's learn more weather words. Listen carefully.
Sunny. The sun is shining. Rainy. Rain is falling. Cloudy. There are many clouds in the sky. Windy. There is a lot of wind. Snowy. Snow is falling.
Let's say them together. Repeat after Jack.
Sunny.
Weather can be hot or cold, right?
Yes. Let's learn these important words. Hot, very warm like summer. Warm, nice and comfortable, not too hot. Cool, a little cold, but comfortable. Cold, you need a jacket. Freezing, extremely cold, very, very cold.
Great words. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Hot. Warm. Cool. Cold. Freezing.
Well done. Now, how do we use these words?
We usually say, "It's hot today," or "It's freezing outside."
That's right. We use it's for weather. Listen to these examples. It's hot today. I want ice cream. It's warm this morning. Perfect weather. It's cool tonight. I'll bring a sweater. It's cold outside. Wear your jacket. It's freezing. I can see my breath.
Now you try. Say this sentence. It's hot today.
Good. Now say, it's freezing outside.
Excellent work.
Here's a question for you. What's the weather like in your city today?
Think about it. Is it sunny, rainy, hot, cold?
Think about it. In your mind, make a sentence. For example, today is sunny and warm.
Or maybe, it's cold and cloudy today.
Try it now. Say your sentence out loud.
That's great. You're using real English.
Okay, let's move to our next topic, the 4 seasons.
Now, let's talk about seasons. There are 4 seasons in a year.
The 4 seasons are spring, summer, fall or autumn, winter.
Let's say them together. Repeat after Jack.
Spring, summer, fall, winter.
Perfect. Now let's describe each season.
In spring, the weather is warm. Flowers start to grow. It's beautiful.
I love spring.
We can say, spring is warm and colorful.
In summer, the weather is hot. The sun shines every day. It's perfect for the beach.
Summer is hot and sunny. Can you say that? Great. In fall, the weather is cool. The leaves change color. Red, yellow, orange. It's very pretty.
Fall is cool and beautiful. Try it. Nice. And in winter, the weather is cold. Sometimes it snows. You need warm clothes.
Winter is cold and snowy. Repeat, please.
Excellent job.
Now let's talk about what we do in each season.
Good idea. Here are some examples. In spring, I go to the park. I see flowers. In summer, I go to the beach. I swim in the ocean. In fall, I drink hot tea. I wear a sweater. In winter, I stay inside. I drink hot chocolate.
Those are perfect examples. Let's practice these sentences. Repeat after Jack.
In spring, I go to the park. In summer, I go to the beach. In fall, I drink hot tea. In winter, I stay inside.
You're doing amazing. Now think about your favorite season. What do you like to do?
For me, I love summer. I like sunny weather and going to the beach.
I love fall. I like cool weather and the colorful leaves. What about you? What's your favorite season?
Think about it. Make a sentence in your mind. Okay, moving on. Now let's learn how to have a real conversation about weather.
This is very useful. When you meet someone, weather is a great topic.
Let's practice a simple dialogue. I'll be person A, and Amelia will be person B.
Listen carefully first.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm, perfect day.
I agree. I love this weather.
Me too.
Did you hear that conversation?
Let's do it again, and you can repeat after us.
Ready?
Let's start.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's sunny and warm, perfect day.
I agree. I love this weather.
Me too.
Excellent. That was great.
Now let's try a different conversation. This time, it's a rainy day.
Okay, listen first.
Oh no, it's raining.
I know, it's so rainy today.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I do. Do you?
No, I forgot mine at home.
Oh no. Let's share my umbrella.
Thank you so much.
Now let's practice together. Repeat after Amelia.
Oh no, it's raining.
I know, it's so rainy today.
Do you have an umbrella?
Yes, I do. Let's share my umbrella. Perfect. You're speaking real English.
Here are some other useful phrases for weather conversations. What's the weather like today? It looks like rain. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. The weather is changing. It's getting cold.
Let's practice these phrases. Repeat after me. What's the weather like today? It looks like rain. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. The weather is changing. It's getting cold. Wonderful. These phrases are very useful in daily life. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
First, we learned weather words. What were they?
Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and snowy.
Right, and we learned temperature words.
Hot, warm, cool, cold, and freezing.
Then we learned the 4 seasons.
Spring, summer, fall, and winter.
And finally, we practiced real conversations about weather.
Let's do a quick quiz. I'll describe the weather, and you think of the word.
Ready?
The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. What's the weather?
Sunny. The answer is sunny.
Good. Next question. Rain is falling from the sky. What's the weather?
Rainy. The weather is rainy.
Perfect. Last question. It's very, very cold. You need a big jacket. How's the temperature?
Freezing. It's freezing.
Excellent. You know all the words.
Now, let's practice one complete conversation from start to finish.
I'll start, and you repeat after me. Hi, how's the weather today? It's sunny and warm. That's great. I love sunny days. Me too. What's your favorite season? I love summer. It's hot and sunny.
Amazing work! You just had a complete English conversation.
You should be proud of yourself.
Wow, we learned so much today.
Yes, let's do a quick recap.
Today you learned weather words like sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and snowy.
Temperature words like hot, warm, cool, cold, and freezing.
The 4 seasons, spring, summer, fall, and winter.
How to have real conversations about weather.
These are words and phrases you can use every single day.
When you wake up tomorrow, look outside and describe the weather in English.
Say it out loud. Today is sunny, or it's cold today.
Practice makes perfect. Now we have a fun question for you.
Here's our community question. What's your favorite type of weather?
Do you like sunny days, rainy days, snowy days?
Tell us in the comments. We want to hear from you.
And here's a second question. What's your favorite season and why?
Write your answer like this. My favorite season is summer because it's hot and I can swim.
We read all the comments and we love hearing from you.
Before we finish, remember, learning English takes time.
Don't worry if you don't understand everything perfectly. That's okay.
Listen to this podcast again tomorrow. Listen many times.
Each time you listen, you'll understand more and more.
You're improving already. We're so proud of you.
If you enjoyed today's lesson, please give us a like.
And subscribe so you don't miss our next episode.
Next time, we'll talk about daily routines. You'll learn phrases like I wake up, I eat breakfast, and more.
It's going to be so helpful.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.